Range Rover has just redefined luxury and sport with its latest offering, leaving competitors in awe. The 2024 Range Rover Sport is a revolutionary leap forward in SUV design and technology, setting a new benchmark for luxury and innovation. Range Rover has always been synonymous with luxury and refinement, and the all-new Range Rover Sport continues this legacy with its blend of beauty, high-tech features, and innovation. With its breathtaking aesthetics, cutting-edge features, and unparalleled performance capabilities, this SUV is poised to dominate the roads like never before. The Range Rover Sport, a mid-size luxury SUV, made its debut as a concept car, the Range Stormer, at the 2004 North American International Auto Show. This concept set the stage for the Sport's arrival in 2005, marking a departure from Land Rover's traditional design ethos. Since then, it has undergone significant transformations, with each facelift bringing new features and enhancements. The inaugural model boasted a range of powerful engines, including petrol options like the 4.2-liter supercharged Jaguar AJ-V8 and 5.0L Jaguar AG-V8, and diesel variants like the 2.7L Ford Lion V6 and 3.6-liter Ford Lion V8. The Sport's chassis, adapted from the Land Rover Discovery 3, provided a balance of refinement and off-road capability. Despite initial praise, the first generation faced criticism for its fuel consumption and emissions. In 2009, the Range Rover Sport received a facelift, featuring a more aerodynamic design, revised interior, and new engine options. The introduction of the advanced technologies like the ZF HP28 6-speed automatic transmission and terrain response system improvements enhanced performance and off-road capabilities. The second generation, launched in 2013, marked a significant departure from its predecessor. Built on an all-aluminum monocoque body, the L494 Range Rover Sport was lighter and more agile. It offered a range of petrol and diesel engines, including the 5.0-liter AJ-V8 SCV8 and 3.0-liter Ingenium AG300 i6 MHEV, delivering improved performance and efficiency. The 2018 facelift brought refreshing styling, upgraded infotainment systems, and new engine options, including the MHEV and V8 variants. Despite these updates, the Range Rover Sport faced ongoing criticism over issues such as reliability and high ownership costs. Amidst growing competition and consumer demands, the Range Rover Sport 2024 emerges as a beacon of innovation and refinement. With advancements in technology, performance, and sustainability, the 2024 model aims to redefine the luxury SUV experience, setting new standards for its class. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted by the illuminated Autobiography trim level badge, signaling the top-tier luxury offered by Land Rover. The interior, leather-free in this configuration, epitomizes Land Rover's commitment to sustainability and customer choice. The latest Range Rover Sport features a 13.1-inch curved infotainment display with Pivi Pro interface, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon's Alexa voice assistant. Standard amenities include in-dash navigation, wireless smartphone charging, Sirius XM radio, and a 13.7-inch digital gauge display. Optional upgrades include a rear seat entertainment system with dual 11.4-inch displays and a Meridian stereo system with 35 speakers and noise-canceling technology. Beyond the realm of traditional controls, the Range Rover Sport boasts several quirky yet functional features. The rear-view mirror can transform into a camera display, offering a clear view of what's behind the vehicle. Steering wheel buttons are programmable, adapting to different functions based on the selected screen, adding a touch of customization. Additionally, hidden compartments like the concealed storage below the center console offer practical storage solutions without compromising aesthetics. The rear seating area reflects the same level of luxury and attention to detail as the front. Ample legroom, headroom, and hip room provide a spacious and comfortable environment for passengers. Rear seat climate controls, power-operated seat backs, and lighted seatbelt buckles enhance comfort and convenience. The 2024 Range Rover Sport was designed alongside the bigger Range Rover to make sure each car has its own unique style. Featuring short overhangs, a wide stance, and muscular proportions, the Sport's design breathes confidence. Its elegant LED light, minimalistic lines, and sleek exterior create a captivating aesthetic that leaves a lasting impression. According to Prof. Jerry McGovern, OBE, Chief Creative Officer at Jaguar Land Rover, the latest Range Rover Sport epitomizes a modernist approach to vehicle design, blending sophistication with a bold and athletic character. The Range Rover Sport offers optional 23-inch carbon fiber wheels, providing both style and performance benefits. These lightweight wheels save 20 pounds per corner and are paired with wide 305s on the rear wheels and 285s up front, enhancing grip and stability. To complement the enhanced performance, optional Brembo carbon ceramic brake discs are available, boasting impressive dimensions of 17.3 inches up front and 15.3 inches in the rear. With 8 piston calipers up front, the SV model can confidently bring this large vehicle to a halt, showcasing remarkable stopping power. Despite its tall height and substantial weight, the Range Rover Sport SV maintains impressive performance and agility. Body roll is effectively controlled, ensuring a stable and composed driving experience, while the Comfort Drive mode is optimal for off-road cruising. The cabin may experience some disturbance from harsh bumps, particularly when equipped with the large 23-inch wheels. Now, on to the part all performance enthusiasts have been eagerly anticipating: the engine and performance of the Range Rover Sport. The Range Rover Sport SV boasts a formidable powertrain, housing a commanding 626 horsepower, twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine, generating an impressive 553 foot-pound of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive capability, Land Rover claims it can sprint from 0 to 60 in a mere 3.6 seconds, a claim that many people's experience on the track have verified. Additionally, the SV features advanced suspension technology, including the new 6D dynamic system, which allows it to adjust its ride height by nearly an inch depending on the drive mode. Unlike conventional anti-roll bars, the SV utilizes hydraulic dampers and airbag suspension to minimize body roll, while all-wheel steering and brake-based torque vectoring ensure agile handling through every twist and turn. With a top speed of 180 miles an hour, the Range Rover SV promises exhilarating performance, poised to push the boundaries of driving experience, limited only by the prudence of its driver. On the other hand, the Range Rover Sport offers 2 powertrain options. The base model is equipped with a 3.0-liter 6-cylinder mild hybrid engine, available in 2 variants, one producing 350 horsepower and another with 400 horsepower. However, the highlight of this lineup is the Autobiography model, now enhanced with a plug-in hybrid turbo twin V8 engine, delivering over 540 horsepower, promising an even more thrilling driving experience. During testing, the P360 SE demonstrated commendable acceleration, reaching 60 miles an hour in just 5.7 seconds. However, it felt somewhat lethargic in urban driving conditions. According to Land Rover's estimates, the P400 Dynamic SE is expected to achieve the 0 to 60 mile per hour sprint in a quicker 5.2 seconds, offering improved performance. For even more exhilarating acceleration, the P550 PHEV powertrain is touted to propel the Range Rover Sport to 60 miles an hour in an impressive 4.3 seconds, showcasing the electrified model's prowess on the road. The P550e plug-in hybrid model boasts a battery capacity that Land Rover claims can provide up to 51 miles of electric driving per charge. While this claim hasn't been independently tested yet, future assessments will include a run on the 75-mile-per-hour highway fuel economy route to validate Land Rover's estimate. Regarding fuel efficiency, Land Rover states that the P360 and P400 models are expected to deliver 20 miles per gallon city and 25 miles per gallon highway. Testing conducted by independent parties has confirmed that the P360 SE achieved the manufacturer's estimated 25 miles per gallon on the 75-mile highway fuel economy route, a commendable result considering the SUV's weight of 5,387 pounds. Land Rover equips the Range Rover with a suite of modern driver assistance features as standard, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, and lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. Additionally, adaptive cruise control comes standard, ensuring a safer and more convenient driving experience for all occupants. The Range Rover Sport boasts a suite of cutting-edge technologies designed to elevate both on-road performance and off-road capabilities. With features like adjustable dynamic air suspension, torque vectoring, and adaptive dynamics, the vehicle ensures responsive handling and precise control, enabling drivers to navigate even the tightest bends with ease. For off-road enthusiasts, the Range Rover Sport is equipped with a weighting capability of up to 35.4 inches, allowing it to beat challenging terrains with confidence. The 3D surround camera with weight sensing provides real-time information about water levels, enhancing driver awareness in low visibility situations. Additionally, off-road control features adaptive off-road cruise control, which adjusts vehicle speed to maintain optimal control in mud, wet grass, snow, and dirt roads, prioritizing both comfort and performance. Dynamic launch enhances acceleration by optimizing gear shift behavior, while Terrain Response 2 offers 7 terrain modes that automatically adapt the vehicle's engine, gearbox, differentials, and chassis response to varying conditions, ensuring maximum traction and stability. The Range Rover Sport comes with a hefty price tag, starting at around $86,000, placing it among the most expensive vehicles in its segment. Its closest competitor, the Porsche Cayenne, begins in the low to mid-80s range, but prioritizes sportiness and performance over off-road capability. The 2024 Range Rover Sport SV Edition 1 comes with a base price starting at $181,775. In contrast, the Range Rover Sport emphasizes its off-road prowess while still offering elements of luxury and performance. Comparatively, a BMW X5, another competitor, starts in the mid-$60,000 range, making the Range Rover Sport a considerably pricier option in the market. Now, let's dive into some interesting tidbits we bet you didn't know about the Range Rover Sport. 5. The 2024 Range Rover Sport SV Edition 1 is exclusively available through invitation only. 4. The Range Rover Sport SVR holds the record for the fastest SUV on the Nürburgring. 3. The Range Rover has a towing capacity of up to 7,716 pounds. 2. The Range Rover's designer used to make jet engines. 1. The first Range Rovers were actually known as Velars. The Range Rover Sport stands out as a prime example of innovation and luxury in the automotive world. With its striking design, powerful engines, and impressive off-road capabilities, it has caught the attention of enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Despite facing challenges like changing regulations and production limitations, the Range Rover Sport continues to embody the spirit of exploration and performance, leaving a lasting mark on the automotive landscape.